over, I put towards my dreams. The only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take it to your hands and plan your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincing they willing to put in the now. What you take to get the power? Take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just young downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always find just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clouds. Overall talk, they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always find just to wear the crown.
جود بنات يلا ثاني جود تكفينا جود خلك متمسك خلك اتمسك في البتاع صدام لا تجي هات نفسك هات المالك حبل المالك الرجالة الثانية عند Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus.